Kath and Jen's first stop in Italy was Naples. They started in the south, where the sun was fierce and the streets buzzed with life, the perfect, chaotic beginning. The plan was simple: travel north by land, slowly making their way back to Central Europe. From the start, they knew they wanted to take their time in Italy for the food, the views, the history, and everything else in between.
Have the groceries and the pro, because we're getting broke.
In the end, they spent nearly a month there, just soaking it all in.
Tiny elevator. Nagulat ako pagtigil. Akala ko na-stuck na.
I know. The experience is so real.
It's so tiny. Can't be back here.
Wow! Am I in Italy? Guys, ang ganda ng view, pero papunta dito, akala ko katapusan ko na. Oh my God! And that's the chaos of Napoli.
After their first Aperol Spritzes, and no, it wouldn't be the last, their next stop was Pompeii. The two friends took the train to Pompeii and booked an expensive guided tour.
Enjoy ka ba? Dami ka na ba natutunan?
They learned a lot, but they also learned how it feels to roast under the burning sun for hours.
Tanghaling tapat, everybody. It's 2 p.m. Okay, nasa villa kami. Nilabas na ang mga payong. I'm so hungry. Use this map. Nakarating naman. Oh! So hungry and tired. And I don't know.
Nonetheless, they enjoyed drinking from fountains like real Pompeians, wandering through history. And honestly, we could tell you more about their learnings, but we'll spare you the full lecture for everyone's attention span. The night after the day in Pompeii, the two surely bathed themselves in the buzz of nightlife in Napoli.
Aperol Spritz. I don't know if that's right. I said the blue one.
Yes.
Drink one.
Spritz after spritz.
Are we getting down or what?
Not yet.
So sweet.
Couple talaga. Sarap nito. So far.
Punta ka muna tayong tomboy nito eh. Ay taray. Kinimutan ni Ate.
Ano naman? Love wins.
I'm tipsy.
When even spritzes weren't enough,
Should we buy some drinks and then go to our veranda?
No elevator. Climbing the stairs. Drunk. But with another drink in my hand. In my arms.
Sweating and what?
I'm sweating, but I still look pretty. Because you know why?
they brought a bottle of wine up to their room, ending the night floating somewhere between tipsy and thankful.
You?
Italian.
YOLOing.
Oh, okay. The tea. This is the tea.
This is
The tea. What is it?
limoncello wine.
Okay, wine. Oh, we're
I'm showing the other camera.
the other camera.
Let's go.
Alright.
The next day, no real plans. Just walking around, eating everything they could find and seeing where the day would take them. Because seriously, what else do you do in Naples? They were in one of the best food cities in the world. While wandering, they stumbled across a beautiful old building, the Teatro di San Carlo, the oldest continuously active opera house in the world.
So we bought a guided tour ticket. We'll see what's inside.
Of course, they booked another tour. Don't worry, about 2 weeks into their Italy trip, they realized they should probably start Googling instead. Guided tours aren't exactly budget-friendly. Anyway, it was utterly grandiose inside. They loved it.
Ano sabi mo?
Hi vlog, welcome to my vlog.
Grabe. Ang tanda na nitong building na to. Although nag-restore siya kasi nasunog siya before.
Yeah.
But, just imagine teatro pa to for very, very long
Since
time.
1737.
Yes. And ang favorite part ko is itong, sana makita. Oh no, where is
The
it?
time stop?
Yeah,
Or
the time. So, merong clock. Okay. Very, very interesting. That's 9 euros.
Some of their days were spent like locals, eating pizza for any meal.
Gotta go home before the rain starts pouring down. Look at that.
While they continued to do their work in their laptops to fund their journey. After a week, Kath and Jen packed up their big-ass suitcases.
Waiting for our train. Dapat yung 6:15 yung kunin namin pero di kami umabot. Buti na lang may 6:55 na mura lang. So, wow, ang ganda.
And caught not one, but 2 trains heading to their second stop in Italy. Rome, where the eating and the story continues.